Bad friends, this is really too cruel. I guess many people haven't realized what the gold content of these two messages is. After the battery has been used for more than 8 years, the manufacturer still has at least a battery accident, and the fire manufacturer will also be responsible. Don't talk about this, I am really a little touched, because there are many new cars at every auto show. However, everyone is talking about price, innovation, and configuration, but few brands say what kind of responsibility I have to bear for users after my car is sold, and how much I have to bear. The brand's practice of writing this responsibility clearly has really made many people feel more solid and trustworthy. Tram owners are well aware that batteries are the heart of electric vehicles, but also their biggest concern. Industry standards often cap at 8 years or 120,000 kilometers. Some brands promise lifetime value, yet with numerous restrictions. So, what happens if my car stops working after 8 years of use? In the past, some car manufacturers promised to resolve battery issues during car usage. However, quality disputes were common, and often the problem wasn't the battery itself. For instance, what if the chassis gets scraped, the vehicle crashes, or catches fire? GAC Toyota addressed 2 critical points. First, they assure that even after 8 years, if your battery hasn't faced issues and continues functioning, they will remain accountable, even in case of fire accidents. Second, they take full responsibility for fire incidents, regardless of the cause. While the industry mostly covers quality issues, GAC Toyota extends coverage to non-quality issues, including fires caused by collisions or traffic accidents involving the chassis. Such stringent promises suggest their confidence in mastering battery thermal safety and overall vehicle durability. Actually, last year, GAC Toyota has launched a 3-rule policy. The accident of the battery natural intelligent car, including the fact that the battery attenuation exceeds the standard, will all be at the bottom, so now it has taken another step forward. It's really rare to do this alone because the battery catches fire due to non-quality reasons. That gets older as the tram gets older. In the future, car interest will definitely highlight more energy in long-term responsibility, so these 2 policies of GAC Toyota are a good start. What about this Chengdu Auto Show? In fact, apart from the doctor riding beside me, it must be an eye-catching and key model. No matter the quality of space-intelligent multiplication, it is very strong guaranteed. But more importantly, it is the Camry in Hall 2027 next to it. What about the limited time equity price? The price of $13,180,000 is really attractive. And why did the Camry sell well as one of the best B-class cars in the Chinese car market? Because of enough space and enough configuration, even its hybrid system, etc., it has gained some trust from a large number of Chinese people. Even many Chinese brands follow it to define many products and even calibrate their configurations. What about the Kai Mei staff in Hall 2027 now? In fact, he is in styling, including the internal configuration, which will be greatly improved, including intelligence, and that all kinds of different power modes of fuel hybrid can be selected now. So Camry is in a row until now. You can start a very trustworthy product with your eyes closed. Many brands, they will put a lot of small characters for you in the corner of this big advertisement, all of which are disclaimers, but you can take a closer look at this small character and you can't find any faults after repeated study. So it is really trustworthy. If you are interested, you can really come and visit, especially to see this daping, which can be said to be the most expensive daping and the most confident daping in Chengdu Auto Show. If you are watching the tram, if you still have any doubts in your heart, for example, what should I do if the TV breaks down after 8 years? Who is responsible for the battery fire? Don't worry about the answer here. If you have any questions, you can boldly consult the staff on the spot. Anyway, the result is here. What do you say?